Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to dynamically mark a chatbot conversation as follow-up in HeroBot. In this flow right here, I'm asking if the user would like to participate in our upcoming audition. If the user is interested, I will dynamically mark the conversation as a follow-up. Let me show you how. The conversation has been marked as a follow-up. There you have it. You have just learned how to dynamically mark a conversation as a follow-up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.